Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix mfplat.dll file missing in your Windows 11. So you type in here the file name and type download. So click on the first website dll/files.com and you will download this file. So there are two steps. So please watch the video till the end. Scroll down and you have to download the 64 version because if your system is 64, so download this file, and if your system is 32, so download this and click on download. So as you can see, your file is being downloading, so please watch the video to the end. So as you can see, your file is downloaded, so we go to your new folder, click on downloads. So here it is. Now you have to copy this file and you have to go to your this PC, go to your liberty C, go to your Windows and scroll down and you have to find system 32. So here it is. Here is the file in here. Place the file in this destination because I did not upload this error. So click on cancel because it has filed already there. So scroll down and click on the sys64 and paste the file in here. Skip this file. So this was the first step. Now you have to go to your cmd and give cmd two commands. So click on cmd, run as administrator. So here we are. So first command is sfc/scan now. Now the second command is gp update. Click on enter. So like after all these steps, this error will be solved. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.